So welcome. I'm just doing a very quick review of these UNCN heated gloves. Light, portable, warm, enjoy life better with us, fresh design and original creation. It comes in a really nifty little box, for which later I'm going to commandeer into a little art thing. But when you've unwrapped it, I've played with them. I've had them for 3 weeks, or was it 4? Could have been 3 weeks. As you open the box, I've worn these for fishing. I've worn these gloves for fly tying. I've gone and sorted the shed out in these gloves. That's fantastic. But there's the lid. You get a plug. You get a wire to charge these things up. Don't need the bags no more. Get rid of that thing. You get a warranty card and a little leaflet to say what to do with it. And a nice little box with a little slit there, see it? So I might commandeer that later and make that into like a little art box and put my art supplies in. But yeah, you've got a standard warranty card, you've got some instructions and bits and bobs there, so you can have a look at that if you want. This is the instruction book, and it's very simple. I don't think you need that much instruction really, but let me show you how it comes with a wire with a plug this side that goes into the bottom of this plug. Yeah, it's got two simple I think they're USB 3 connectors. So let's plug this USB in the plug. There. Okay, come on. Let's plug him into there. I'll just plug him into my plug there. Now on top of the glove, they're nice. They've gone with these Velcro things. Yeah, and they fit on nice. And the reason why I wanted fingerless was the fact that I then can do stuff with my fingers. Now there's the heat pad, and I think there's a heat pad somewhere there or around there. This is a little bit bulky at the top, but if you can get past that bulkiness of the top bit, where the actual the thing that runs these pads are over it, you don't notice it. It just you don't act literally. It's not there no more. When you first put it on, you can notice it a lot more. But let's see how you charge it up and what it means to charge up. That's absolutely brilliant. The sense of having a warm hand is brilliant. You'll see on the connector or the bottom there, you've got a little connector hole. Just pop one of those USBs in there. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Pop it in there. Okay, you can see it's charging up. Get the other one and then pop that in the same hole there. Come on, there we are. And you should see both charging. You can. Both of them are flashing red at the moment, so I know I've got a little bit of charge. When they're solid red and they don't charge no more and they are completely lit up red, or is it blue? Could have been blue, I can't remember now. Might be blue. Diddly diddly day, diddly diddly. You know, insert type C plug on one side of the supply cable fully into the socket on the bottom. Connect the other side to power source. It generally takes about 8 hours to fully charge the heated gloves. Higher power adapter charging time is shorter. Charging current should not exceed 2A. The flashing red light means it is charging, and the flashing blue light means it's fully charged. So when they turn blue flashing, it's fully charged. But you get the gist. So I'm just going to quickly unplug them because I don't need them charged. I never don't. Only just charging them up, so I know within about 20 minutes it will be done. Let me show you how to operate one glove. Don't need that one. Let me put the right on. So it comes with this nice little Velcro, so you can have it soft, loose or tight. And if you long press this button, it should turn red. You can see it's turned red. That's on max now. If I just turn that down a bit, you can see it on camera. It's red, yeah. Basically, that's on max. I say max. You can just feel the heat coming through. I can just start to feel the heat coming through now. It's not instant. It takes about 60 seconds to start going. As you move your hands around in the glove, you can feel the warmth happening inside the glove. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. You get warmth up here and warmth down there, and that warms all of your hand. So if it gets too hot for you, or you're getting a bit warm under the glove, you can knock it down to a 50-50 state, 50% less heat. So you just press there. Now you can see it's turned blue, and that's gone to 50-50 state. If, say for instance, your hand's getting a bit colder, if you just tap it again, it should turn back to max, okay? And if you long press it after you finish doing or whatever, if you long press it, it goes off. There it is. And I think it's got a time delay and all, where if you don't touch it or do anything with it, it cuts it anyway. So always, if you've noticed the warmth dropping, you might need to kick it in. If it doesn't kick in, then it needs charging. I didn't see how long it actually lasts for. I'm assuming batteries instructions just have how long it lasts. Normally a fishing session does me, which is 4 or 5 hours. I mean, I literally can say nothing on here. All right, I didn't even look at that. Yeah, like danger reduced, blah 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 blah. I think it's about 4 or 5 hours. If you read it on the website, on the Amazon setting, typically says 4 to 5 hours, fully charged, 4 to 5 hours. You're not going to have it on for 4 to 5 hours. You're going to turn it off and on, aren't you? When your hands they're warm gloves as it is. So I've actually used them for fishing. Absolutely fantastic. It's got this little band. I'll put this back up. It's got this little band here on the thing, so that keeps your things together, I suppose. It's just absolutely fantastic. So if you want to get yourself a pair, fingerless, I wanted a good pair of fingerless. I was always a bit dubious about getting heated gloves because they all looked a bit naff, you know, but these looked a bit more professional like, and they actually work for fishing. And if you did want to fit a larger glove over the top of these gloves, you can do that also. I've done it. Where's that big gloves I got? I've got a big pair of gloves somewhere. They're in the shed, in my fishing kit. And I put them over the top of this because it was quite cold the other day going fishing. So I got it mainly for fishing, but because they're fingerless, I can do all little bits and bobs with my fingers and do fly tying, and I can even do art in these because I'm up here on the table, because my hands aren't level with the table and I aren't looking down at the table's above me. My hands get a bit cold, so putting these on, fantastic. And they charge, they say that, is it full time it takes, instead of the connect, it takes 8 hours to fully charge the heated gloves. 8 hours. It doesn't. It takes about 6, probably 4, but I haven't run them down to 0 yet, so it probably does take 6 to 8 hours to fully charge them. Once you've got them fully charged, wow, you'll be okay that day. So if you want a pair, there's a link down in the description, and thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.